What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make some spicy camarones a la Diabla. This is something my mom would always cook for us, so shout out to my mom for this recipe. As always, the ingredients will be listed in the description down below, so let's go ahead and get started. To start off, we will be needing some shrimp. I'm using 2 pounds of shrimp. We will be needing some Chile Japoneses. We will be needing some ketchup and a Jarrito. Make sure it's the Mandarin one. We will be needing 1 lime. We will be needing 4 to 5 garlic cloves depending how big they are. And I'll be using some salt and some garlic salt. So I already went ahead and roasted the chiles. So when you roast them, just get a pan and put your chiles on low heat so they can get so they won't get burnt too fast. If they get burnt too fast, they won't fully roast on both sides, and if they burn up, your salsa will come out sour, the chiles will come out sour. So the key is roast them on low heat. We're going to go ahead and make the salsa. So we're going to go ahead and blend the chiles, the garlic. We're going to squeeze 1 lime. Now I'm just squeezing in the 1 lime. And now I'm adding some salt. And if it needs more salt, we can add it later. And now we're adding some ketchup. Again, if it needs more ketchup later, we'll add more ketchup. So I'm just squeezing in a good amount of ketchup. And the last thing we're going to add is the Jarrito. I started off with about half of the Jarrito, and I ended up using about, I would say, 70% of the Jarrito. So I did add more later. So again, once you throw in the chiles, the 4 to 5 garlic cloves depending on the size, the ketchup, the 1 lime, the salt, and half of the Jarrito, we can go ahead and blend everything up. And like I mentioned before, I did add more Jarrito into this. I ended up using 70% of the Jarrito. So now we can go ahead and cook our shrimp. So when cooking the shrimp, it's very easy to overcook shrimp, and once you overcook the shrimp, it tastes very rubbery. So in order to avoid the rubberiness, we're going to cook it on medium to low heat, and we're going to fill up the pan just 1 single layer. We're going to cook them on one side, and then we're going to flip it over one by one. Totally forgot to mention to you guys that I already went ahead and seasoned my shrimp before I cooked it with the garlic salt. So be sure to season the shrimp. So it hasn't been long at all, and I'm already going to go ahead and flip it. And as you can see, they're already getting its color, the pink color. And I know they're not fully cooked, and that's okay. When you cook them in the salsa, you're also gonna cook them there. You need the salsa to heat up with the shrimp. It can finish cooking off with the salsa and mix with the salsa and shrimp. So remember, you don't want to overcook your shrimp. You don't want to fully cook them right here, because you are gonna cook them all together with the salsa as well. So now I'm just adding the salsa, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything. I'm just adding the rest that was in the blender. Make sure you add everything. And this is the point where you can taste it and see if it needs more ketchup, the Jarrito. If you think it's too spicy, add more ketchup. You don't want to add too much Jarrito because then it's gonna just taste like Jarrito. But just taste it, and if you feel like it's just too spicy, add ketchup. But it is a spicy recipe. It's Camarones a la Diabla. That's, you know, the reason for it. But as you can see here, I am adding more ketchup. So I've added ketchup quite a bit. So it did need more. You can cover it with a lid and let it come to a boil on low heat. So this is about 5 minutes boiling it on low heat, and our shrimp is ready. So I went ahead and paired it up with some Mexican rice and guacamole. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully give this recipe a try. And as always, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.